Hey traders, this is Jeff from ZenTrader.ca with a market update. I want to do two things tonight. Just talk about my timing signal and how I'm viewing the market's action right now, and then I just have some sectors that I want to go over. So we got stopped out on the down signal here, but I want you guys to think about something. When a market is moving up, moving up, and then it starts to roll over, it takes a lot to get that momentum stopped. All right, so you got the market that's going up, and to get it to stop, there's got to be a lot of resistance. So what's happened is basically the market just slowed down, and now we've started another leg up. Now my point in all of this is it's not going to take as much resistance from here to get the markets to roll over. So my point is that my timing signal, although it was reversed here to from a sell signal to go to the sidelines, it is not going to take that many selling days for this to reverse and to reverse quickly. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm saying that that's just a fact. So with that being said, are we on the verge of a major breakout, or is this more of the market just kind of running away, kind of sucking people in, and then it's going to have some sort of correction? I don't know. But what I do know is when I look at a few of these charts here, these sector charts, this is the Dow Jones U.S. Defense Index, rising bearish wedge, very steep wedge. Industrial suppliers. I mean, this is impressive. But at the same time, it's well defined. It's touched on. This bottom trend line is touched in 5 different areas. It's not going to take much for a break. And at this point, I don't know where support would be on this chart. All I know is that it's a lot further down than $285. Home improvement, I didn't even bother drawing the trend lines. I mean, this is so steep. And this is just almost reminiscent of a bubble. So, be careful if you're in some of these stocks, if you're in some of these sectors. And then, and there are so many sectors that are looking like this. These are some of the most exaggerated to the upside. These are just some that stood out. But I mean, a lot of sectors that I looked at tonight are quite overbought. And the last sector I wanted to look at was the HUI, Gold Bugs Index. It could be reaching support. Could be. I don't think it is, and the reason is I don't have the chart in front of me, but when you look at a 60-minute chart, it looks more like it's breaking down, but and this is just a daily chart. So, but there is some decent support in these, between these two trend lines that I've drawn. It generally has bounced right there. The RSI action has been very weak. It's really not been able to get over 60, and but yet we haven't gotten oversold either. So one of these trips down here, we're going to go under 30, and we'll probably hang out there for a bit. This could be it, where, I mean, this RSI, it's sloped downward quite a bit, so it looks like we're going to be heading down under 30. And if that's the case, then the selling will probably accelerate. Maybe support down here in 420, 425 area on the HUI. Watch this. I think this is going to be telling us, which way gold and silver is going to be going, whether the correction is going to extend itself or whether this is going to be a short-term bottom. So with that said, be very careful trading from the long side. I've got a few setups that I'm watching right now, but I haven't really bought anything. Nothing's really pulled back, and I think that's the problem, at least for swing traders and momentum traders. You just don't want to. Yeah, you want to buy new highs, but you want to see a little bit of a pullback. So take care.